Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create product images using PixelCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create product images using PixelCut, all you got to do is simply tap open your PixelCut. Once you open your PixelCut AI, you need to simply tap it on, and now to create professional product images with it, you need to simply use its AI powered app to remove backgrounds, generate new AI driven backdrops, and enhance photos in seconds. Simply, you can upload a product photo and then select the AI background tool to choose a scene or style and generate high quality studio grade images. So this way you can create product images using PixelCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.